Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here we will be talking about this beautiful React and Django based e-commerce platform wherein we have React in the front end and Django in the back end. So how they are communicating with each other, how we have developed this application and how it works, that's what we will be covering in this video. So I hope you guys will definitely like it. So before proceeding forward, I just want you to hit the like button and also share this video with your colleagues so that they can also come and check out this tutorial and check out the other things which are there on my YouTube channel. And thank you very much in advance for that. So this is the registration page that you can see, with the help of which a user can register his profile on the platform if he want to use this application. Now once he registers himself on the platform, he can come on the login, and here he can simply log in through the login credentials which he used, which he entered while creating his profile. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have successfully logged in. Now it's a completely blank page which is visible to me. Why is it so? Because there are no products present on the portal. So we'll have to add the product first, then only the users will be able to see it. Now how products can be added, that's what I'm going to show you. So there are two ways we can do it, either with the help of Django REST framework, which is in the backend, right? So we have this form over here through which you can add the products. Then we have this admin panel also in place, with the help of which the products can be added in one go. Okay, so we'll be using this panel for now, so as to save the time. However, if you want to showcase it to anyone in your group, or in your family, or in your college, or student, in your school, so definitely you can use this Django REST framework panel for adding the required products. So let's now add a product and see how it is going to come over here on this portal. So I have already added a category over here, which is girls wear, right? I'm going to add a product now. So for that, I'll have to click here on add product, and it has given me a table over here. Now let me select Jan Gaurav 1 to 6, and here I would like to go with, let me just come on the Google page. So here we have some, okay, these are wedding dresses. No, I want dresses like this, party wear dresses, party wear girls. Dresses. Okay, so yes, we have a couple of dresses over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this pic. I think I'll have to open it first. Okay, can I download it? Save image as, and no, I think we can save this image. Let me do one thing. Let me open Google Chrome window. So it's going to be incognito. Girls party wear dress. Okay, so we have some dresses over here. Let me take this one, save image as, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So I'm saving it as party 1, right? And it's a pink dress. Let me enter the details and add the product right away. So pink party wear, and slug is, let's make it pink. Choose image, I'm selecting this one. Brand is chiffon. So I'm entering some random details, as you know, and here I have to add a description, right? So girls party wear pink, this description. Let's take it from here. Fine, so we can just put it over here. And rating, let's make it 3. Number of views 14, and price is 1700. count in stock. So let's have 7 over here for this. Okay, so I've successfully created a product, and let me create another product quickly. So this time it will be quite faster. Okay, let's take this one. It's a purple dress, or let's take some other one. Okay, let me take this red dress. Okay, and coming back over here, red party dress, red. We have to select an image, and here we have to select a brand. So now I'm selecting Raymond girls wear, and let's use the same description that we used earlier, or let's use this one for now. It's not a description, by the way, but yeah, we just want a text kind of a thing that we can show to the user on the front end. Rating 4, number of views 6, and let's mark it at to 2000. Count in stock is 16. Save. So I successfully created 2 products. Let's come back on the portal and give it a refresh, so I can see both the dresses over here, right? So this is how the products can be added, and that's how the product automatically comes over here on the front end. So what is happening basically in the back end is, this is, we have 2 folders, right? We have one with name backend and the other with name frontend. So this is your React.js and this is your Django. Now, if you see over here in the settings.py file, we have this course allowed origins. So we have allowed 3000 to communicate with it. Okay, and then we have this JWT also in place. Now with the help, what is happening basically is this npm, which is running on port number 3000, is hitting this Python, this Django application, which is running on port number 8000. Okay, and it is taking the content from it and showing it to the user here, right? So this is how the communication is taking place. Now if let's say I want to purchase this for my daughter, so how I'll do it, I can click here on more details to check out some more details of this product, and then let's say I want to purchase 3 dresses, because you remember I entered 7 while entering this product through admin panel. So that's why we are seeing only 7 over here. If I click here on this dress and check out its details, so here we are seeing 16 because we have 16 dresses in total in the stock, right? So this is also in place. Now let's come back on this more detail and let's add 2 dresses. So what happens is automatically your cart number has increased by 2, right? Earlier it was 0 and now it is 2. So if you click on this cart, let's say you come back on home, you want to go back on that cart again, so you just have to click here on cart, and this is what you'll get to see. Now here also you can increase or decrease the quantity. Suppose you want to purchase 3, so automatically this price here will get updated. Now proceed to checkout, and here you can enter your address. So for now I'm entering random address over here, and I would like to pay through Google Pay, and let's continue. Okay, so this is our order and let's place it. Okay, so we have successfully placed the order, right? And fine. Yeah, so if you see over here, the order will come automatically in this table. So there is a person named Django who has the ID jangoro126@gmail.com, has placed an order, and this is a total price, this is a text price, shipping price is 0, and he's going to pay through Google Pay, right? So all this detail will come and get saved in this orders named table, which can be accessed again. There is a separate application in the backend which we have created for tracking the orders. And what is that? Let me show that also to you. So this is the one I'm talking about. Now if I come here in URLs, we have this API orders. Okay, and in this URLs of orders we have add. Fine. So if I come here and replace it with API orders, let's see what's gonna happen. So we can see the orders, that people have placed on our website. Fine. So instead of going to this panel, we can simply access the Django REST framework for checking out the different orders, for entering the product details, for modifying the details and everything. Fine. So this is the whole look and feel of the application. We can add as many products as we want to show to the customer, and the application will work seamlessly well. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys loved it a lot. This is my 700th tutorial on my YouTube channel. I would like you guys to share it in your groups, like anything, just share it with your friends, share it with whoever you know, and also share it in all the groups you are a part of, so as to make it really, really popular. Thank you very much for supporting my channel. Bye bye, take care, and God bless.